Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Nathan, this is Roborock. So I have a question for you. Is it possible to make money on YouTube with a small channel? Maybe you only have 1,000 subscribers, maybe you have 2,500 like myself. Well, it is possible, and the requirement for YouTube is 1,000 subscribers, 400 watch hours. I was able to get that within 5 or so months, so you can do that too. But this video is designed to be inspirational. It's not designed to brag or anything. I'm just going to show you what I have for my analytics, but you could do the same on your channel as well. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to jump into my YouTube Studio app, and we'll see how much I have. Oh my gosh, I don't have any money. Well, this is October 2019. This is where I applied for the Google Adsense. So what you do is once you're eligible, again, the 1,000 subscribers and the 400 watch hours, you actually get an email from them and they will say, okay, you're good to go. So what they would do is they will look over your channel and then they'll say, yes, your videos are approved for monetization. Next, you're going to have to link up your account with a Google AdSense account or some kind of monetization program. I use Google AdSense since it was the easiest. First earnings for November 2019. This is, I believe, 29th of November. So I made $32.31. Now, the very last day of November, I actually jumped up to $84.89. So you can see the total there, it's $117.20. It's not too bad getting my first 2 days through the YouTube partnership program. Alright, let's just go ahead and jump to the next month. This is December 2019. You can see I made about $1,600 bucks, a little less than that, $1,597.66. So yeah, it was a good month for Roborock Masters. So the highest earning was $143.06. So it is possible to make a decent amount of money, but here's what happens. After December, stuff just kind of went downhill. So for January 2020, it was $520.46. So it wasn't too bad, but it was definitely not what I made in December. And for February, so this is the month I'm currently in at time of filming, I'm at $173.77. So I suspect I will make about $400 to $500 this month. Now, with YouTube AdSense, it's kind of like a roller coaster. You just kind of go for the ride, and hopefully in the later months like October, November, December, you'll make up for the months that are a little bit slower in the beginning of the year. But that's just one thing. Now, with Roborock Masters, I actually bounced off of different programs. I to the partnership. Now, this is another aspect of my channel where I can make some money. I actually got these robot vacuums. This is the Roborock S5 Max and the 960 through some partnerships. And I want to again thank both of those guys for sending me these robot vacuums. But that's one thing you can do on your channel. So if you do merchandise, you actually will get offers to send products. So with my personal experience, I actually received offers when I was around the 800 subscriber mark. They actually just email you and say, hey, we have this product, would you like to review it? It's a pretty simple process, and you just follow the rules. Sometimes they want a video that's like 10 minutes long. Sometimes they want to have you put their descriptions or company info in the link below or something. But it's real very simple. As long as you follow the rules, they're pretty happy about what type of content you produce. Alright, let's talk about my next source of income. I actually do affiliate links. That's basically when you click on a link, you actually will get a promotion or a sale. I actually do that for a couple of my robot vacuums, especially with the S5 Max. It's really a good deal here. I believe you can save $100 if you click on my link. See what I did there? It's fairly simple, easy to just tell people about a product that you're interested in, and then when they click the link, you actually earn a small commission, and they get a great coupon or promotion. It's a win-win deal for both of you. So let me go ahead and show you my partnership. This is through one of my favorite links, and I'll show you how much I made throughout the lifetime of this channel. This is through GearBest. Basically, I had 2,314 clicks, and 21 were registered. So the total order count throughout the lifetime, this is like, I believe, November to February, I made $8,138.65. Actually, that isn't directly from what I made, but that's what I made the company. So take about 10% of that, and that's my personal commission, which isn't too bad. I actually tried to factor that out if I was going to do that on my own, where I bought the robot vacuum out, I put on like an eBay account, and resold it. I believe I would have to pay about $50 in shipping, about $10 or so of my time, so it evens out to about $40 to $50 of what I make through GearBest, which isn't too bad. So it's very important to have multiple sources of income, whether it be a YouTube channel. Things I've done is I did a website, www.robottechreviews.com, put some affiliate links on there as well as some great articles about the S5 Max, the 960, and so on. Also, I do some eBay sales too, so if I have a product laying around, I can just put it on eBay and make a few dollars on that. So a lot of these small sources of income just kind of snowball into a giant source of income. Now, keep in mind I do have a full-time job. I work about 45 hours a week. So I hope you guys go out there and grow your YouTube channel and reach that 1,000 subscribers and that 400 watch hours so you too can make some money. And keep in mind, make sure you have multiple sources of income. Do affiliate marketing, do partnerships. You can also do a website. You can do Facebook, Instagram, anything that gets you out there. Just have fun with it. Don't focus too much on the money. Just focus on what you love and the money will come. So you guys have a great rest of the day. I'll see you guys next time.